Hello everyone, hello grade 6, how are you? I hope you are fine and healthy. Today we talked about the second lesson, median and mode and outliers. We are knowing that in the last lesson the mean, and we can talk about mode and median. The mode is the most common value, or the value that occurs most often. How can it make if I have find the mean and median and mode and outliers from the data of 19, 3, 5, 7, 4, 5 and 6? Which is most repeated data? Excellent, very good. The most repeated data is 5. The mode is 5. And what is the mean of the value? The mean is the sum of values over the number of this value. So the sum of values is 19 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 equal 49 over 7 equal 5. And how can I make the median? The median I don't making it except if I arrange the number from the smallest to the greatest, or the greatest to the smallest, as you like, but I prefer from the smallest to the greatest. 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 19. When you say 5, sorry, why you say 5 repeated? Because it's repeated in data 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 19. Can send the number 3 was 19 and 7 was 4 and 6 was 5, then the remaining is 5, then the median will be 5. Okay, but the outliers is 3. No, 3 is closer to 5, but 19 is the distance point from another data, then 19 is the outliers. Okay, letter B, the dot plot graph. In dot plot we can know I have 2, 4 and 4, 6 and 3, 8 and 1, 16. The median or the mean is the sum of values over its number. So the mean is 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 16 over 10. So equal 72 over 10 equals 7.2. The mode is the most repeated number is 6. Very good. And the median range, I can making the range from smallest and to the greatest. When remove the first was the last, 4 was 16 and 4 was 8 and 6 was 8 and 6 was 8, then the remainder 6 and 6. Oh, how I solve it? It's very easy. 6 plus 6 over 2, so 6 plus 6 equal 12, so 12 over 2 equals 6. The outliers is 16 because a distance point from the symmetric line. How the outlier effect of the mean? How the outlier affects the median and the mean of the following questions. Find the mean including outliers and without outliers in each of the following sets of data. What do you know? First one, 5, 20, 25 and 35 and 30. The 5 is outlier. To making the mean without outlier, it will be 20 and 25 and 35 and 30. So how can so the mean without outlier is 20 plus 25 plus 35 plus 30 over 4 equal 27.5. Or making without outlier with outlier, it will be 5, 20, 25, 35 and 30. So the mean is 5 plus 20 plus 25 plus 35 plus 30 over 5 equal 23. How can I solve it? What about 27.5 and 23? It will be decreased because the outlier is smaller than the most values. In the second example, number B, I have 10 and 15 and 15 and 20 and 80. The mean, the outlier here is 80. Check and think about with me. 80 is the more than the data. Then the mean is without outlier. The mean without outlier, it will be small, and with outlier it will be most or increase. Very good. To making a mean without outlier, it will be 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 20 over 4 equal 15. And if I want to making with outlier, it will be 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 20 over plus 80 over 5 equal 28. Then the greater outlier increase the mean. Choose the measure of central tendency you think would be better to use. Let's start or think about the mean or median of dot plot. What about of the first dot plot, how I can measure the central tendency of the dot plots? Very good, because at median, very good, because it has a center point. Another one, number B. Wow, it's a median because I has a center point or symmetric point. So the third, either, okay, because I has authors, I can making the median and the mean in here. And the last one, it's the mean. Thanks for all. Thanks too much for everyone, and that's enough.